always find a way to say the wrong things.
This is my back after 2 months of steroids. This is my back after 3 months of steroids. This is 4 months, and now finally 5 months. You'll notice that it's getting way better. Unfortunately, I was forced to take about a month break from the gym, which also meant no steroids. That mixed with eating much less dairy, and I started treating it, my back is actually starting to look pretty good. Or at least pretty good to my standards. Still kind of looks like a strawberry shortcake.
If you don't have the motivation to go to the gym, always remember this quote. If the mind can dream, you're a bitch.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
Drop it.